This is a 2006 R500, and what we have here, we've got a CD changer part that's missing here. And if you look at the sound, you'll notice that there's no sound menu here. Even if you have a CD inserted, there's no sound, and also no possibility to get it. The mute button is off, there's no mute place here. And further, if I go into navigation, I will also get an issue where there's no sound. So whenever you put in a destination, you will get a map, but you will not get any speaking voice to direct you to turn by turn into your destination.